Go, go, go!
What's the plan?
The plan is to go as far as you can and hold them at the choke points. Wow. You should probably give them some support there, eh?
Where?
Okay, I'm coming. I don't know where they can come in though. I got good position. Can I get to the top? Go guys, keep going, go up, space to the enemy. No?
Yeah.
Stay low, stay high.
Stay high is better.
Let's go. Right down to the wall, eh? Yep.
They're popping smoke. Derek, I'm in front of you.
Okay.
Get down. He's down.
There's one left building to your left, eh? Watch your 9.
Irvin, we're on the hill. That's our guy moving up. We should follow. Push.
Travis. There's a bunch of them there. Reloading.
Hey, left side flank in the tree. Jeffrey, 9 o'clock, you. Guys.
Just shoot into the trees. Forget that.
Is there a guy there still?
What is that? Oh, is that our guy? Let's move up.
Someone said there's a guy in 9 o'clock.
Watch your left. Watch your left. You guys move, I'll watch the left.
I'm moving left. He fell back. Oh, here? No. Move off.
Yeah. Tango down. Andy, where is he?
He's on the left window. He's shooting there. You can see, you get the orange tip.
Yeah, I see it.
Maybe somebody else.
Oh, hit!
Copy. You have your pistol?
Yeah,
Can I borrow it?
yeah.
Yeah.
You need mags?
You have it. Oh, you have the pack light on. Perfect. Thank you. more smoke. What? Oh, shit. Maybe the rest might suck, eh?
Yeah, no shit. I'll move faster.
I don't think that we're even attempting this.
I know.
But there's a whole bunch of guys lined up at the wall just doing pop shots, swapping shots. I got 2, died once now. You know they're gonna swap sides. How are we gonna do this? Hit the building.
I don't know, Kevin. Why don't you tell the camera how you would do this?
Are you still filming?
Yeah.
Hi, all 6 fans of your YouTube channel.
One of them not even being you.
I am, man. I am. I'm pretty sure I subscribed too. Or like, whatever that was. Shoot the cameraman.
There you go.
Let's do some massive.
Derek, say hi, YouTube.
What's up, YouTube?
It's on the move. Oh,
One on the left
there he
side.
goes.
One on the left side, red building. Hey, 1 minute left. Let's hit the building. Let's rush it. Let's go. Fuck it. Let's go. Go, full team. Come on, go, go, go. Go, go.
Hey, Hung. Mics are in the...
Say hi, YouTube.
Hey, YouTube. Thanks for the pistol.
Oh yeah, that's my pistol. You're out. Reload.
Oh, that was the last one.
Derek, how do you feel about this victory here that we just accomplished?
Well, I was doing Overlord, so naturally nothing came through.